First of all, thank you to all the people who watch my video. Today we'll be repairing the speedometer of Pulsar bike to 150. So at first you just see that my Pulsar vehicle is not working. This is the Kepler of a speedometer sensor meter. So at first we have to just I have opened it. I just see that the meter was not working, but at first we have to test it either the power supply is there to the meter or not, to the digital meter or not. So first of all, what you have to see, just see that the way how I do, see, you have to make a short circuit among those cables, then it comes the meter. Then this, just see that this is the sensor what it used to play in the wheel. So first of all, you just open this wheel and just see it either is there any fault or not. So just today I will just show you. This is what I have opened it up, my meter. So this meter was not working, so I will show you how it to repair it myself. It seems, see, this is what the meter, and I have cleaned it up properly, and this is the new one I have replaced it up. So currently this is the new one what I am going to place. So just see that how my videos and how you can place yourself this speedometer, and you can resolve the meter issues by yourself. So this is what the wheel. So I have made I have fitted up in my vehicle. See, just see that. So I will just put the rod on it. So there will be a needle rod on it. So I will put it and I will re-screw it. Just see that how I fit in this wheel. So this is what the way, so you can make yourself your speedometer ready on this. See, once I feel to fit my wheel, and I will re-screw it again, and I will this Kevlar, I will reconnect it again. See, this is what the Kevlar what I have changed it newly, and I have place it over there. Just see that how I place it. That is the Kevlar of the speedometer. After placing